I got an RE5 and an Infinity. Came in. We'd rebuilt it before. Had a complaint of harsh downshifts and had no codes. Drove pretty good as far as I could tell. I never really felt the harsh downshift, but the customer kept complaining about it. And the fluid was burnt, so we pulled it back apart. And this snap ring that holds this retainer for the reverse clutches had partially popped out. This one right here goes on top of that piston. You can see where it was rubbing. Burnt the clutches. And I just got to find out if there's something wrong with this case, or if I just didn't have that snap ring seated all the way down in there quite right. And we'll see what happens.